Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, brothers and sisters. We're here in the monumental, great Union Square. It's a historical place. And today, we spent the day training people to come out to call people to Islam. And one of the things we spoke about in today's training was that this dawah, calling people to Islam, connects you with the Qur'an. Why? Because your personal experiences, you relate those experiences with the Prophet ﷺ's call. If he's a prophet of God, can't he just be like, yo, I'm a prophet of God? Like, you can't do that. Wouldn't you stop them? All right, have a seat, man. Have a seat.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, the Ayira team is here today in Union Square Park, New York City, a very diverse community. We are here to convey the message of Islam today to the wider society, and we're conveying it in a manner that is compassionate and with intellect.
If the one that gave you your soul, right? The one that says, you know what, I'm giving you your soul and I'm giving you the guidance to what to do with your soul, would you say, you know what, I don't want that guidance, I don't care if you gave me my soul? How he called people, as you're calling people, you get to understand the Qur'an. And subhanAllah, today, I had one of those personal experiences. As I was making dawah, I was calling someone and we were speaking about the topic of death. Somebody comes up and says, you know what, starts cursing at me and says, I should shoot you right now. Can you imagine? And it really shook the gentleman that I was speaking to. After that was resolved, I told him, I said, look, you don't know when you're gonna die. And it had a profound effect on him. SubhanAllah. These were the things they were speaking about, and this is what we're out here doing, is calling people to the reality, death, this life, where are you going?
And so brothers and sisters, the question is, are you partaking in this prophetic mission of dawah? Are you involved? If you want to be involved, you can be with Ayira. Alhamdulillah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has blessed Ayira with immense opportunities. And those opportunities you can be involved in. Support the dawah.
Just today, we had one shahada where a young brother who took the training came out and gave someone the shahada.
I've always copied how my friends did dawah, but I always snuck in trying to get the conversation going. This class helped me understand how to give it, how to appeal to people's senses. I'm just smiling cheek to cheek right now. I really want to go out and give dawah. I might even go outside and do it in front of the mosque.
Get involved with this work. Go to ayira.org and don't delay. Become a part of that dawah. Get the reward today.